When your Onida AC remote stops working, the most common culprit is the batteries. Weak or dead batteries are responsible for the majority of remote control failures. To fix battery issues, replace all batteries with fresh, quality alkaline batteries. Always replace all batteries at the same time and ensure they are inserted with the correct polarity. The second common issue is signal obstruction. AC remotes use infrared signals that require a clear line of sight between the remote and the air conditioning unit's sensor. To solve obstruction issues, simply ensure there is a clear, unobstructed path between your remote control and the air conditioner's sensor. Remove any objects that might be blocking the signal. The third common issue is a locked remote control. Many AC remotes have a lock function that prevents buttons from working, often activated accidentally. To unlock your Onida remote, try one of two methods. First, press and hold the lock button for 3 to 5 seconds until the lock symbol disappears. Alternatively, press the minus and mode buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. These three basic troubleshooting steps, checking batteries, clearing obstructions, and unlocking the remote, solve the majority of Onida AC remote problems. Try these solutions first before moving to more advanced troubleshooting methods. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, we need advanced solutions. First, let's reset your remote completely. For Onida remotes specifically, there's an additional reset method. Press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds while pointing the remote directly at your AC unit. Next, proper cleaning is essential. Dirt and grime can block sensors and interfere with button presses. Clean your remote with a soft, dry cloth, paying special attention to the sensor area and buttons. Don't forget to clean the sensor on your AC unit itself. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to remove dust and debris from the receiver sensor on the front of your air conditioner. If problems persist, inspect the battery contacts inside your remote for corrosion. Clean them with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol if needed. Also check for interference from other electronic devices nearby. If all these advanced troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the issue, it's time to consult a qualified HVAC professional. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and fix more complex problems.